Luxury Property International would like to introduce you to another model built by GL and Valencia Sound, Ruby. We come and see this beautiful home. It's about 1,780 plus outside, so it's 2,250 square foot. Beautiful one-story home and 55 plus community. This model has featured beautiful hardwood flooring throughout. As we're walking in the house, we have here guest suite with closet, nice furniture, beautiful, very bright, full bathroom, tiles up to ceiling, nice linen, central air. This place also featured gas heater system. We're walking here through the wide open, entertaining. This is the entry foyer with a beautiful chandelier. Den or third bedroom, depend what you're looking for and how many people be visiting you. This also can be built up as an office as well. And this is it, voila. We have a family room here. And this is information about Valencia Sound. Valencia Sound 55 club community. They're offering 39,000 square foot community room clubhouse with beautiful pickleball, tennis court. We have a Rocket Club is open as well, and it has so many activities offering for your lifestyle. And look at this beautiful countertops from the quartz countertops. Beautiful, modern, very bold looking kitchen. Amazing kitchen. I love this one with high cabinetry. Nice size island. Stainless appliances by General Electric. We have here gas cooktop with heater, microwave, oven, stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, beautiful fixture, on the mount sink. We have here formal dining, or you can use as an eat-in kitchen. Eat-in kitchen also can be used here as an island, and a beautiful view of the lake. Sliding door, all impact, beautiful backyard, and master bedroom. Master bedroom, this is the place we spend more time. So you have a beautiful view from master bedroom here. It's a king size master, and we overlooking the lake. This is the private backyard. They also have enough space for the pool if you decided to put pool. As we're walking to the master bath, we see two walk-in closets. This is a huge closet, very nice. Another closet. And this is the master bath with double sink, good size shower, and private toilet. And this is Valentina, your realtor, Luxury Properties International. About this, we have also offering Sapphire, Bimini, Grand Alexandra, and few more models in this subdivision. It's almost sold out. So call me now. Don't lose your chance to live in Valencia Sound. 561-388-1015. Live from Valencia Sound with Luxury Properties International. www.luxstylepb.com. Feel free to share with your friend and subscribe to Valentina's YouTube. Luxury Properties International.